Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can find TRC-20 address in your Binance wallet. So the step number one is to open Binance application and wallet. So just launch your Binance app, and on the bottom navigation bar, just tap on the wallet icon to access your funds. So the next step is to go to deposit. So within your wallet, you will see tabs like overview, spot, funding, and etc. So just tap on the spot tab and then tap the deposit button. So you'll just see it in there. Just go ahead and tap on it. Next is to select TRX and network. So on the deposit page, just search for TRX or TRON and select it. So the Binance will ask you to choose a network. So this is a crucial step. So you must select the TRC-20 or the TRON network. So depositing the wrong network will result in loss of funds. Next is to view your TRC-20 address. So after selecting TRC-20, your unique TRC-20 deposit address will be displayed. So this is a long string of alphanumeric characters. So you can just copy this address by tapping the copy icon next to it. And a QR code will also be available for scanning. Lastly is to verify and use address. So always double check the address when sending funds and ensure that the network on the sending platform also says TRC-20. So this address is specifically for TRC-20 tokens like USDT, TRC-20, TRX, and etc. So on the TRON network. So do not send tokens from other networks, like for example ERC20, to this address. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!